In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dependencies in Wrike. Whether you're managing complex projects or just need to organize your tasks effectively, understanding how to use dependencies can significantly streamline your workflow. So let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, you'll want to start by going to the Wrike workspace. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure you do so. This is your hub for all things project management, and it's important to be comfortable navigating this area. Once you're in, you will see a list of projects or folders that are currently part of your workspace. Next, select the specific project or folder you wish to work with. This involves visually scanning through your available projects, so take your time to ensure you've selected the correct one. The organization within Wrike is key, and knowing exactly where you intend to add dependencies will keep everything flowing smoothly. After selecting, click on the name of that project or folder. Doing this will bring up detailed information about the tasks associated with it. You should see a comprehensive list displayed here. This is an excellent chance to get a broad view of what needs to be done and how tasks are currently structured within the project framework. Once you're in, you'll need to locate the section labeled One More, which is a reference to additional options or settings available for your project. Clicking here is crucial, as it serves as a gateway to the more advanced tools and settings that Wrike offers. It's like the secret door that leads to controlling how tasks link with each other. Now, you're ready to add a dependency. Dependencies in Wrike allow you to connect tasks, establishing a sequence and helping you determine the order of operations. This step is as simple as finding and clicking on the Add Dependency option. It's a straightforward action, but fundamental, as this is where Wrike's true power in scheduling and task management comes to life. Remember, when you're setting dependencies, you're essentially setting rules for how tasks interact with and depend on each other. This feature can be incredibly useful for managing complex projects with multiple interrelated tasks. Take a moment to think about the logical order of procedures in your project and then implement these connections accordingly. And that's it! You've added dependencies in Wrike. This simple yet effective tool helps keep your projects in line, ensuring everything happens at the right time and in the right order. Be sure to explore and utilize these powerful features regularly, as they can significantly enhance productivity and clarity in your project management tasks. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Now you're all set to make your projects run more smoothly with dependencies in Wrike. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our content for additional tips and tricks on project management. Happy organizing!